Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Thanos. It's right there somewhere. And I'm going to go through this new project of mine and what it is about. And I'm going to take you through the sounds that I'm using for this project so you can follow my videos that I post every few days in a more clear way so you can understand what's happening. So what we have here is that I started building this little system with zero cos, zero control as one instrument, Erebus second instrument, and the X-Rolls as Seat Lombarda inspired instrument. And these are my main sound sources. Morphagene will maybe add some layers, extra layers with some loops that they are stored in here. And then of course I have the whole case here that I'm going to use as an effects case. So every sound will go through this case and then it will go to the mixing desk. Of course, the Coco Quantus here will add some extra weirdness, noisiness into the whole system. So what I did is that I created this patch. I recorded a session with this patch. It's already, you will find it in the description. It's already online. And then what happened is that for the second session, I just decided that I'm gonna work with the same patch because it had a lot of potential. I had a lot of ideas with the same patch without changing the main sounds. So changing mainly how I process the sounds. And of course, the structure of the session of each track, let's say, that's going to be also very different from session to session. So I'm just gonna take you through these three sounds that I'm using. And in that way, you can follow a little bit and try to recognize how these sounds are being used in each session that I'm posting. So first sound is the zero cos. Here is just a sequence. Right now, of course, it's just straight out of the zero cos. And you hear that in each note, I have a different envelope. So that's the main idea behind the patch with zero cos, and I'm gonna keep it that way. Then I have just a bass note with Erebus, maybe even has a beautiful filter, the Erebus, beautiful delay in here, and at this moment it goes through the air reverb by itself. It sounds like that. Beautiful resonance on the filter. And its own delay you hear right now. Yeah, I really love the sound. It's simple, but I can hear it for a long time. I like this. So the last one is the X-Rolls. And the X-Rolls is kind of like a percussive synthesizer. It creates like little clicks and pops. But if you add some distortion in it and some just extra gain in general, you can get some pretty convincing beats. And you can hear it's pretty stable, so it's not any weird rhythm. But of course, with the process that I'm going to make, it's going to be very different. So for example, I'm sending it through clouds right now for this third session. It can get really noisy really fast, let's say. So these are the three sounds. I hope you can follow them in all the sessions that I'm making, and I'll see how far I can go with the same sounds, with the same patch. And I need to mention also that I'm using the Panharmonium here also in some sessions, and then I switched it with the RXMX. In a way, they are functioning the same. The idea is the same. Like I'm taking a sound and I'm analyzing the frequencies because the RXMX is now connected with the FXDF. So it's analyzing the frequencies of the sound that I'm sending in. And then I'm triggering the different channels here and they go to effects. And the Panharmonium does the same thing, but of course more like automatic. So it just analyzes the frequencies that I'm sending in there and creates a cluster of notes. So even if I sent the percussive sounds from the X rolls, it will create something harmonic. So this is it. I hope with this little explanation that you can follow the sessions, the live sessions that I'm posting every few days, and I hope you enjoy them. I hope you find inspiration in this project. And yeah, I'm wondering also in the comments if people are also working with the same patch for different tracks. It's a very interesting, creative idea that you can give it a try. Okay, thank you so much for following and for watching all the other videos. You will find the links for the first 2 sessions that I have online down below in the description of this video. And yeah, enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.